Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Jeep Wrangler JK headlights. First, park your Jeep on a level surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall. This distance is crucial for accurate aiming. Next, ensure your tire pressure is correct and your fuel tank is at least half full. These factors affect vehicle stance. Finally, gather your tools. You'll need a Torx T15 screwdriver and a measuring tape. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient, ensuring you achieve optimal headlight alignment for safer driving. Now, let's locate the adjustment screws. Open your Jeep's hood and look at each headlight assembly. You'll find two distinct screws per headlight. One screw is for vertical adjustment, controlling the up and down movement of the beam. The other screw handles horizontal adjustment, moving the beam left or right. They are usually positioned on the top and side of the headlight housing. Identifying these correctly is the next critical step before making any adjustments to your headlight beams. With your Jeep positioned, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight lens. Transfer this measurement to the wall, then subtract 2 inches to create your target line. Now, use your Torx T15 screwdriver to turn the vertical adjustment screw. Aim to align the top edge of the headlight beam with your marked target line. Next, adjust the horizontal screw to center the beam, ensuring it points directly forward. Make small, precise turns for the best results. After adjusting, double-check both headlights to ensure they are evenly aimed and properly aligned. A quick test drive will confirm the effectiveness of your adjustments. Remember, avoid over-adjusting. Small, incremental changes are always best. Properly aimed headlights significantly improve your visibility during nighttime driving, making the roads safer for you and reducing glare for oncoming drivers. This simple maintenance task ensures optimal performance and safety for your Jeep Wrangler JK.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.